The Scotch yoke, also known as slotted link mechanism, is a reciprocating motion mechanism, converting the linear motion of a slider into rotational motion, or vice versa. The piston or other reciprocating part is directly coupled to a sliding yoke with a slot that engages a pin on the rotating part. Components to be used to create a small model are shown here. The Scotch yoke mechanism is mostly used in control valve actuators in high-pressure oil and gas pipelines, as well as in various internal combustion engines, such as the Burke engine, Cytec engine and many hot air engines and steam engines. This mechanism does not create lateral forces on the piston. Therefore, the main advantages of applications include reducing friction, vibration, and piston wear, as well as smaller engine dimensions. However, the input torque of the Scotch yoke mechanism is variable and can be balanced. Do like, share, subscribe and comment about what you would want us to post about.